Good evening, and welcome to Daybreak Warriors Navajo Word of the Day. Today's Navajo Word of the Day is going to be a continuation of yesterday's Word of the Day. Yesterday you learned how to say they are going to play, they are playing. Since it's the day after, you're going to learn how to say they played. So, if you want to say Giants and Patriots played against each other, past tense, you would say Giants a Patriots Yik'iji Nídaazne. Nídaazne means they played. Nídaazne. So to say the whole phrase, the Giants played against the Patriots. Giants a Patriots Yik'iji Nídaazne. They played. Nídaazne. They played. And that's today's Navajo Word of the Day. And as continuations, if you want to say the Giants won, you would say Giants Dahoneezná. Giants Dahoneezná, meaning they won, more than 3 people, because it's a team. Dahoneezná. If you want to rub it in and say the Patriots lost, you would say Patriots Dahoneezná. Patriots Dahoneezná. The Patriots lost. A continuation from last night, and those are today's Navajo words of the day. Have a good evening.